Since 2015, the Agency for Care Effectiveness has shaped better decision-making in healthcare, improving patient outcomes while keeping healthcare affordable and sustainable. ACE was established as part of a national effort to address a critical challenge: rising healthcare costs and an increasing demand for high-quality care. Singapore needed a structured approach to ensure that every healthcare dollar was spent on treatments and technologies that deliver real value. This vision laid the foundation for ACE to play a key role in supporting appropriate and value-based care, AVBC, ensuring care that is evidence-driven, clinically effective, patient-centered, and sustainable.
So when ACE was founded, we were at an inflection point. At that time, MOH's budget was about to double very quickly within about 1 or 2 years. Why? Because we were increasing subsidies significantly. So we had worked hard to improve patient affordability, and we asked ourselves, what do we need to do to ensure sustainability as all these medical advances come on stream, new drugs, new technologies? And that was how we decided to form ACE.
Our first task was to build our capabilities in health technology assessment.
In 2015, the main problem we had when we started was that the talent did not exist. We had very few health economists in Singapore, and healthcare technology assessment is really built on the foundation of health economics. Therefore, there was really a need to rapidly increase the number of people with these skill sets. So we started small. We started off in the beginning doing just drugs. Then this went on to devices, eventually to vaccines, and currently we're looking at really new technologies such as precision medicine and artificial intelligence.
By 2017, ACE's initiatives had begun transforming Singapore's healthcare landscape. Using evidence-based frameworks, we improved patient access to medicines.
Striking the right balance between healthcare costs and quality is always challenging. While medical advancements bring hope, they often come at significant cost with uncertainty in effectiveness. ACE began piloting value-based pricing early on for drugs, vaccines, and medical technologies. Through rigorous assessments and strategic price negotiations, these efforts have, by 2020, delivered significant benefits: reduced costs, greater affordability, and better patient care. Beyond cost savings, ACE's systematic review of utilization and evaluation of outcomes to measure HTA's impact ensures effective healthcare spending that leads to better health outcomes.
ACE's mission has always been to serve our three key stakeholders: supporting payers in making evidence-based funding decisions, guiding providers with clinical best practices, and empowering patients to make informed healthcare choices. To fulfill this mission, our mandate expanded beyond the traditional role of an HTA agency to broader clinical and patient-centered initiatives. Since 2018, we have been developing clinical guidelines for healthcare professionals to support evidence-based decision-making. To date, we have published more than 150 recommendations across 30 ACE clinical guidances, engaging over 350 local experts. Many of these have been integrated into national and institutional care protocols and pathways to support appropriate care delivery. Beyond clinical guidelines, we also focus on patient education, fostering patient and public involvement in HTA processes. In addition, we conduct horizon scanning for emerging health technologies and trends to assess their potential impact on health or the healthcare system before widespread adoption into the local system. Beyond assessing new health technologies, ACE has played a key role in shaping policies that improve access and affordability for our patients. The Cancer Drug List, CDL, and the Implant Subsidy List, ISL, have enhanced access to cost-effective treatments, ensuring sustainability in cancer drug costs and insurance coverage, and reducing prices for commonly used implants.
When we subsidized SGLT2, there was a marked fall in admissions for diabetes and heart failure. Clinicians also thanked us when we covered HIV drugs. More recently, the Cancer Drug List and Implant Subsidy List were game changers. They transformed how Singapore funds and delivers access to therapies, balancing affordability with clinical benefits. To date, more than 750,000 patients have benefited from ACE evaluations.
We will continue engaging patients, caregivers, and consumer groups, empowering them with knowledge and tools to make informed healthcare decisions. As we navigate an aging population, rapid medical advancements, and evolving care needs, embedding appropriate and value-based care into everyday practice is more critical than ever.
Our focus has always been rigorously evaluating promising innovations and supporting their wider adoption once approved. At the same time, supporting accessibility for those who need them most. ACE's role in evaluating new technologies reflects its commitment to balancing innovation with long-term sustainability, core to AVVC's mission.
It is with this solid foundation that ACE can now move to the next mile by anticipating new challenges, seizing new opportunities, and ensuring that ACE remains fit for purpose. Above all, ACE must continue to improve health outcomes and value in Singapore through evidence-based practice, underpinned by our core values of scientific excellence, patient-centered care, and stakeholder partnerships.